In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a speech bubble in a Gamma presentation in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful feature if you want to leave feedback, point out something specific, or communicate with your team directly inside a presentation without changing the actual content. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside, you'll see your dashboard with all of your presentations. Now select the presentation you want to edit. This is important because the comment or speech bubble you add will be linked to that specific presentation, so make sure you open the right one before you continue. After the presentation opens, find the exact text block or card you want to reference. You can do this by moving your mouse over the section you want to comment on. As you hover over that specific card, Gamma will show you a few quick action icons. Look carefully along the right margin of the card, because that's where the speech bubble icon appears. Once you see the speech bubble icon, click it. This opens the comment field for that particular section. Now type your message clearly and make it as helpful as possible for your team. You can use this space to suggest edits, ask a question, or give feedback on the content. After typing your comment, leave it there as a note for your team to review later. This is especially helpful when you're collaborating with other people because it keeps feedback organized right where it belongs. Instead of sending separate messages or trying to remember what needs to be changed, you can attach your comment directly to the exact block or card in the presentation. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a speech bubble in Gamma presentation comments. It only takes a moment once you know where to click, and it can make collaboration so much easier. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.